omukoro gwayebemberwa Chief of Defence Forces General Wilson Badi kandi yashaba abajwaro gukora emirimo yabo na rukundo obwo bini ihanga ryabaha mutuma hono gwiyashaba abaserukare abahendera emishomo yabo obutosho kugumisiriza embere kubaho mu mahe hamwe n'ihanga ryabo bita bakaguma ha mirimo yabo batari kutenjesubwa.
The commandant's briefing, and it's my honor today to welcome you here to the School of Military Intelligence Mijera and to this important function when military intelligence is passing out 305 intelligence staff who have successfully completed the basic intelligence course. Born out of UPDF's desire to continuously build a professional, effective and efficient force by enhancing your capacity in intelligence work, but also in soldiering and skills enhancement, because you are the eyes, you are the ears, you tell us what is happening to enable us make the correct decisions to address the situations.
Yes, sir. The course started on the 27th October 22 with a total of 316 students, the biggest number that had ever been trained at the School of Military Intelligence. I'm happy and humbled to present to you 305 trainees who managed to complete the course. Most importantly, Chief Guest Sir, the course was more practical with various field exercises. The final exercise was conducted in Masindi and Chiandongo district. Through you, sir, I want to thank the Commander SFC who gave us some equipment.
Ahanshonga y'emico abajwara bashabwo kwebembeza emico mirimo yabo hamwe no kwetwaza kurunje mu bantu okugira hal commandant wishomere Lieutenant Colonel James Muhumuza nagira ngo abajwara barabira mu kutendekwa kw'amani kandi yashaba ngo etutu yabo etakafavusha gasha kwa Damba Tadeo.